Good morning and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna try something new that I haven't done since I came to this self-employment thing. By the way guys, I lost my aunt, so today we're going for a funeral service at All Saints. So I'll be picking my cousin and then we go. Thereafter I have quite a number of things to do. Like I need to meet 2 clients. I need to, actually 3. I need to do 2 deliveries, and then 1 client I'm going to have a meeting with them about new business. After that, I'm supposed to meet 2 other people. So it's gonna be a busy day for me, but I just want you to see how it goes on this other side. And then something else, when I was listening to motivational talk in the morning, the message was you need to take ownership of your dreams, because if you don't, no one is going to take care of them. So you who's watching this and you have dreams, start following them and start making them happen. So let me not do a lot of talking, let's get going. So see you. We are on our way to the first place. I already just picked my cousin and there she is. Hi. It's going to be a very busy day. So as I said, beginning of the year, timekeeping is very important. So here we are. It's supposed to start at 10, but it's not yet 10. So we hope we'll be there right on time and not become African timers. I'm leaving All Saints right now. So today when I was in that service, I just felt like everyone was talking about how my aunt lived a life and was always encouraging people to do more. And I feel like it's something that we all need to do. Like we all need to give our best and live like it's the last day, because you never know when you're going. So let's say if you're dreaming of doing something, don't keep on procrastinating, because there's no point of procrastinating because you don't know when you're going to leave. So if there are people that you love in your life, just show them that you love them. Don't wait for me to die to bring flowers, and you know, when I'm alive right now, please do it, because there's no point of waiting until I die. So yes, I'm going to town to pick some stuff, that's CBD, and then from here I'll be going to my first client. I'm going to take you with me, and I hope, yeah, you'll enjoy my day. Having errands to run in this CBD is usually just hectic. Yani, just the few minutes that I've spent here, I just feel like I've been working the entire day. As in, I'm just so tired, but I'm now heading to my client's place for the meeting. So I'm going for my first meeting. Here, let's see what they have. Now I'm gonna get the business. Hey guys, so I am done with the meeting. The meeting went well. So yeah guys, I got the business. So it's something I'll be doing, I think, tomorrow and the days after tomorrow. So this is something really, really good, and it's, you know, people feel happy when they go and pitch and then get work, right? On to the next. So I'm from the second meeting, the first meeting for the day. Now I'm going to deliver something to another client just down here. I'll take you with me, but I'm so hungry. And the good thing, I usually carry snacks when I'm going for these errands. So today I carried 2 bananas. They work for me, they give me energy. They say that if you eat 2 bananas, or rather 1 banana is good to take you for 2 hours. So yeah, let's see how it goes. It's like 2, guys. My second client is where I used to work. Yes. So I am here with Kelvin. And there is Kelvin. So we are just taking things from here. I'm delivering this stuff.
Okay. Thank you.
Kevin is really helping me, by the way, because these things are so heavy.
I'm that guy.
So Ascent is my second client. I'm just going to deliver these things, and then after here I'll be able to go. I'm so happy to be here and shoot from a red background. I'm sure you guys are used to seeing green all the time, but I'm here. Let's see I'm going to surprise Carol. You know, she didn't know I was coming. But yes, I'm going to surprise Carol. I'll take you with me. Say bye to Kelvin.
Bye-bye.
Carol! Surprise! Meet Carol. Again, always on my channel, and yeah. So I'm back here. She knew I was coming, but yes, we are here now. And there's Harvey. Harvey coming.
What are you supposed to say?
What do you want to tell my people?
We love you.
We miss her. Please come back to the office.
It's not the same.
I'm going to hug lamb. What are you looking at?
Your earrings.
It's just a door.
About you.
She just wore one earring. You should wear more earrings. It's almost
Jesus
April.
Christ.
At April.
So you wear as the time goes on, the year
Yeah,
goes.
I bought a pair of earrings on Jumia. They still have not arrived. It's been like 2 weeks. I'm dying. Jumia, deliver my earrings. Stop playing with me.
Gerald is my person that I really missed, and I think you've seen a lot of videos of me and Gerald just hugging. Yeah, so guys, I'm innocent. I'm just catching up. Napata maudaku zingine from my one and only.
Smashing the smash. So you left the tap and the smash. Got the footage.
It's just crazy. But let me not make a lot of noise here because I know these guys are very busy and I need to move to my next.
Smash.
Oh God. I'm done with Ascent. I'm going to see my next client somewhere in Westlands. And it's around 3. So I'm supposed to finish seeing all my clients before 4. Let's go. Hey, see you. It's time for me to go to my next client. Wish me well. This particular client usually have a very beautiful view. Every time I come to this place, I always feel like just coming here and filming. Yeah, it's beautiful. So I am here, and after this I'll be going to see a friend of mine somewhere else along Gong Road. I need to be there by around 4:15, so I need to be here like ASAP. But I'm just seeing my client, just a quick meeting, and then I dash to the other side. But guys, the view is just breathtaking. See, it's beautiful. Very beautiful. So it's been pretty good, like productive day today. Like I've had a very good day, and I'm glad. I thank God. It started very silent, like going for funeral service, but it's turning out pretty well. So I appreciate it. I thank God. So let me go and see my client. Hey guys. So that meeting went well. I'm now going to see a friend of mine. I am here. Just gonna end this here, by the way. Like I can't continue vlogging, but yes, thank you so much for watching my channel, and thank you so much for always coming again and again. If you like this particular video, don't forget to share with a friend, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly press the red button. Until next time, kisses.